Hey everyone, check out the MR.SIGA Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, perfect for all your cleaning needs around the house. These all-purpose towels are super absorbent, lint-free, and scratch-free, making every surface sparkle without streaks. Use them wet or dry on countertops, appliances, mirrors, and even in the bathroom for a spotless shine. The pack includes 50 towels in 5 vibrant colors, so you can easily switch between tasks without worry. Each cloth measures 11.8 by 11.8 inches, providing plenty of coverage for quick and efficient cleaning. They are durable with reinforced edges, designed to last through hundreds of washes while drying fast. Whether you're tackling grease on pots or dust on silverware, these microfiber towels are your ultimate cleaning companion. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.